Hi friends, today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. I do not have a lot of time today, so I am actually going to just pull out my hats and I am going to see if I have any hats to declutter. I am spending each Tuesday for a while going through different areas in my closet, and I just was like, okay, I have like literally 5 minutes. What can I do in 5 minutes to still make some improvements in my closet, but not have a big time commitment? So I was like, okay, I do not own that many hats. So I'm going to just grab my hat box, see if I have any hats to declutter, put everything back up, and then I will be done. So I hope you have something to tidy along with me. If you do, get it out and let's tidy together. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm not sure how well this is going to show up, but let's take a moment. Actually, it's showing up pretty well. Look at the dust on top of this hat box. Obviously, I need to dust, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put some of this. Okay, that looks so much better. Yay. Okay, now I'm going to open up the hat box and we're just going to kind of look through it together. I have this little Nike visor. I'm trying to remember why I have this, but I do want to keep it because I think it's the only visor I have. And then I have this hat that obviously I got at the Outer Banks. I don't know. See, I've got this hat. I've got this hat that is the Vineyard Vines hat. And then I have this hat that says Salt Life. I don't really wear a lot of hats. I think I'm actually going to declutter this one. But I'm going to keep this one. I think I'm going to hold on to this one. And then I have another couple of hats that I need to put in here. But I just took those out and then look at well, I don't think it'll show up. Well, maybe. There's even some dust down in here. So I need to clean this too. So let's do that now. So, I've had this hat box for years. So I'm going to, while this is drying, I am going to grab a couple of hats that were not in their right place, see if I want to declutter any of those, and then we'll put everything back in the box. Okay, so I found 3 hats that were not in the bag, and 2 are beach hats. This one is one that has like, the little pretty ribbon, like the nice little beach hat. I really do not look that great in hats. And this one is a Madewell straw hat. Honestly, I think this is more versatile. I can wear this one other places. So I think I'm going to declutter this one. And then I have this, and it's like rolled up. So I need to see. Okay, so it's one of those you can like put your hair up and put this on at the beach and put the little ribbon on it. And it just kind of rolls up so you can pack it. It's easy to travel with. I think I will keep this one. So this one I will keep. And I'm going to tie it back. Hold on. So I rolled this one up. I tied it in a little bow. And now we're going to put the hats that I'm keeping back into the container.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. In a world where hope grows thin, you've completed me. And the story left within tells me how to breathe. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly.
I love that that was so fast and simple to do, and that I did manage to declutter 2 items. And yes, today I did not have a lot of time, and I am still sitting here surrounded by clothing that I need to sort through, I need to declutter, I need to try on, all the things. But I did accomplish something. That was a small little space. It was a hat box, but it's done. I can check that part off my to-do list. So far my shoes are done and my hats are done. And I have these 2 hats to declutter. So I have this little beach hat and I have this little Salt Life hat. So in just a few minutes, I was able to accomplish something, do a little tiny tidy. I feel better about my space. I feel happy, and I am so glad that I got it done. And I hope this video motivated or inspires you to tiny tidy something today, whether it is big or small. Sometimes our tiny tidies are just that, and very tiny, and sometimes they're a bit larger. I just want to remind you guys to all have a beautiful day and get out and enjoy the sunshine. If the sun is shining where you live, it is shining here, so I am definitely going to enjoy some time outside and get some vitamin D and feel fresh and great. Have a great Tuesday. Remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.